Hey you fabulous people, welcome back to my channel Keeping It Raw with Aditi. This is Aditi Redkar this side, and it's finally Chaturthi week. Ganesh Chaturthi is right around the corner and everybody is so excited everywhere. It's a mahal of prosperity, happiness, joy. Everybody's doing their tayaris, decoration. So I'll be going to my uncle's house. So we celebrate Ganesh over there. We'll be leaving soon. Now me and my dad will be leaving, and tomorrow my mom will join us over there. I'll show you all the preps that we go through, how our Ganesh look this year, and whatever happens, everything will be posted for y'all right here. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe it right away. Let's dive straight into the video. So we left for our uncle's place and then we tied the matori, did some decoration and left for market because we had to buy a few things from the market. So we went, got whatever we needed, got some garlands also for the murti. After that we went to bring home the Ganesh idol. So at my uncle's place we get the Ganesh in the evening and the puja happens on the Chaturthi day. There were so many beautiful murtis of Bappa. It was so mesmerizing. All the murtis were looking really pretty. Then we collected our Bappa and we got him home. I was super excited at this point of time. Then we reached home and we welcomed our Bappa. Our Bappa was looking so mesmerizing and he was studded with all the beads and the motis. He was in a Krishna avatar and he also had a basuri which was looking so mesmerizing and calming at the same time. Then our Bappa got Virajman at his stan and we were all waiting for the next day for the puja to happen. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi everyone! Finally Chaturthi is here and Bappa has come to our homes. I'm so happy. So I hope Lord Ganesha blesses your lives with lots of happiness, joy and take away all your sorrows and pains. So in our uncle's house, Ganesha comes in the evening and the puja happens on the next day, that is the Chaturthi day, which is today. So the puja has taken place and the Aarti, that is the afternoon Aarti, will take place soon. So I'll show you how the Aarti proceeds and whatever happens. Right now the food prep is going on in the kitchen. Rangoli we have already made, so I'll show you the Rangoli as well. And whatever happens further will be posted. I hope all of you all are enjoying the Chaturthi with your cousins at your native's place. I just hope that you be careful with firecrackers while burning them. Take care of yourself as well as the surrounding people, animals. And that's it. Enjoy the Chaturthi to the fullest because it just comes once in a year. So whatever happens further, I'll keep you all updated. The Rangoli that I have done, it's a very simple design. And I had very less time, so in that whatever I could मैंने बना दिया. So do comment and tell me how you like the Rangoli for day 1. Okay, so we are in the kitchen and let's see what the preps are. Mommy here is making sweet. Yes, Mommy, what is the sweet? Sevaiya. And what is this boiling?
This is muga gatti,
Muga gatti. Okay, I'll show you later when we do the serving. Whatever we have prepared and what we is I don't know, cleaning beans. Yes, Mommy put things into words. Dishita here is doing kutai of something. Yes, Dishu, what do you want to say?
Happy Ganesh Chaturthi everyone.
First day has come to an end and all our relatives are here and they are talking. I don't know if you all can hear me, but this is Vaibhavi having all the chatter patter. She loves it and Dishita also joining her. And we are preparing for the night aarti now.
सोने सवरणाचे जेव्हा तुका गेला कुठे म्हणायचे आमका ती सोने सवरणाचे.
Good morning everyone, it is finally day 2 and today Bappa will be leaving us to go to his home. The day 1 went so fast, so quickly. It was just yesterday that we welcome Bappa home, and today we have to do the Visarjan. Here we have Bappa for 1.5 days. So in the evening we'll have the Visarjan. Today more of my cousins, more of our family members will be coming, visiting, and it will be a nice time, and I'll show you around whatever happens and how our Visarjan happens. Today is the Visarjan, but tomorrow is something very, very special coming towards you. The surprise I was talking about is coming towards you tomorrow. So you have to stay tuned and wait and guess what is the location, destination, or what can the surprise be in the comment section. For now, I'm heading towards the prep for today, and I'll take you all around. And this is my rangoli for day 2. It did not turn out how I wanted it, but some jugaad we did, and this is what we came out with. So we are having lunch, and for lunch we have breadfruit fry. We call it nirpanas. This is raw banana. This is rich gourd, dodgi, red amaranthus, that is tamdi bhaji in our language, beans, and this is sprouted moong. We call it mugache gati, and this is sweet called as spice, puri, and chana sabzi. We call it usar, dal, and rice. And we are all having lunch. This is Sanish. Why are you running away? Why? This is my Masi, Didi, Sejal, Vaibhavi, and Vaibhavi's friend Sanya. Okay, so it is the second day, and it's time for Bappa's Visarjan. All of our family members are here, my cousins are here, and we are all taking pictures right now. So it's a chaos right here. They are all taking pictures. I'll show you in the background. That's what's going on. Other people are sitting inside, and now we'll have the final aarti for the night, and then we'll do Bappa's Visarjan. This is my outfit for the day, by the way. I'll show you all the full outfit soon. This is Vaibhavi. She's looking so pretty.
Now I'm looking. She doesn't take me in the vlog and I look like this. She takes me when I'm big.
No, she's beauty inside out, so she doesn't need. Baba, what are you doing? He's just trying to do some circus. He's climbed up.
I fall down. I don't pick it.
He's saying he'll fall down if I take him. Sorry. Okay, so let's take you all around and show you everyone inside.
गणपती बाप्पा
So we are under a crisis because we just took our Ganesha out and it started raining very, very heavily. So we're just trying and waiting for the rains to go.
वेट रे तू
guys, I'm super excited. We are traveling after a long time, and this destination especially is very special to me, very close to my heart. So that's why I urged my father to take this trip. So let's see how things go, but everything will be posted for y'all right here on my channel, so stay tuned.
स्थान पर बैठे रहें और ऑक्सीजन का प्रवाह शुरू करने के लिए यह आवश्यक है कि आप इसे अपनी ओर खींचें और नाक मुंह ढककर सांस लेते रहें।
Already boarded the plane and we are up in the sky, and I'll be posting some beautiful clips for y'all to enjoy and watch. Stunning view, you guys, and below me is the beautiful coastal line, the beaches. I mean, this is so surreal, and I'm literally on clouds. We have got the meal for the day, in that we've taken the veg option, so there is a rice and a Manchurian sort of sauce. I think it's a Szechuan fried rice, and there is a chocolate chip cookie and a water bottle by Vistana. We are almost about to land, you guys, and can you see the beautiful city beneath us? It's so crowded. Just see the tall buildings. I'm super excited. Checked in our hotel, and this is our hotel room. It has a double bed and a single bed. Here there is some storage, and this is a washroom. This is the sitting table that they have given, and there is a view to it. Let's check out what view it is, and let me show you all. Okay, it's not a very pretty view, but it's okay. And here we have a full-length mirror, and this was my airport look. Very demure, very mindful. And this is Mama doing some work. So that's pretty much it. Okay guys, so we were actually going somewhere, but we couldn't go today, so we are going tomorrow. The plan is on, the destination is on, and I hope that I get to go there. So let's see what happens. Right now we are heading back to our hotel, and it's a wonderful train journey because the train is pretty empty because it's late actually. So let's see what happens tomorrow. I just hope that we get to go there. Good morning, it's the next day. I don't know if I'll get me. So this is attempt number 2 to go to the same destination. So let's see if we get this good. Okay you guys, so I'm back from the destination, the surprise you were all waiting for, and it was such a great time. I mean, the opportunity was so huge. I mean, it was unbelievably mesmerizing. I think I can call it divine. Divine is the right word for it. And now we are heading out for shopping, so I'll take you all around with me. So I have come down from my hotel, and there's a big market. The name of the market is Nataraj Market, and you all can see that it's packed with people and lots of good goods like accessory, clothing and whatnot, and I'm super excited to shop. So let's see what we can score from here. I'll show you soon. There's Mama behind me. She's checking out some chappals and we have scored something. I'm super excited and happy because we scored something really good. And let's see what we find further in this market. Such a beautiful murti, guys. See, I mean, we just came to the market and we came across this Ganpati. I think the market people have kept it and it's so pretty. Have a close look at it, guys. It's so pretty. And there's a smaller one. We are trying the famous Mumbai Frankie. Let's see how it tastes. And as usual, comes in the lots of cheese, the staples. Okay guys, we are back from shopping and we are super tired. It was so tiring, so crowded, but it was such a great time. So now I'm just gonna change, have a bath and sleep. Mama is already sleeping because she's super tired and my throat is completely gone because I drank so many cold stuff over here, drinks, but they were super yummy and just so cheap, like 6 rupees, 15 rupees. I mean, at our place we don't find anything like this. So now I'm gonna have dinner, have bath and sleep. So today is our last day over here and we are having the last Bombay pav bhaji and Mama has ordered this sabudana vada. Yeah, so we are having that and then we might head for shopping, a little more of it, the last bit of it. Okay, so we have come in the mall. This is the Infinity Mall and we're here for lunch. So we'll have lunch and do a little bit of shopping. Then we have a flight to catch at 9. So we'll be leaving soon because Mumbai is very heavy on traffic. So we'll be leaving soon and then we'll be back to my state. So finally after so many days today we're having a proper meal and I'll show you what we're having for lunch today. Dad here has taken an Indian platter which has dal makhani, chicken bhuna, butter chicken, jeera rice, naan and gulab jamun, Coke as well. We have also taken Jhol momos. I really love this. Last time I had come to Mumbai, I tried it and it has a very core memory with me. And we have got KFC as well. So this is a full meal that we're gonna eat after so many days. So let's dive straight into the meal. We are at the airport. I couldn't vlog anything because we were running super late, and by the time we came in it was super crowded. We had to check in very quickly and we were stopped because with us in the check-in luggage we had a coconut that we had got from Lal Bagh and it was not allowed inside. So disheartenedly we had to leave it there. So because of that also we got late and now we are waiting for our flight. So let's see how the flight goes. I hope there is less turbulence because it's night time, plus Mumbai rains are very uncertain, so I don't want any turbulence, but let's see. By the way, you guys, look at the Mumbai airport. It is so freaking pretty. I mean, look at this artifacts and like the carving is so intricate and pretty. There are so many artifacts like this all over the airport. There are some beautiful ones that side also. I'll see if I can show that side as well. It's so pretty, right? Okay guys, so we have boarded the plane and this plane is so beautiful. I'll just show you all. On today's flight, it's a Vistara flight. So we came by Vistara and we're also going by Vistara, but we have been given the screens on the night flight. And you can watch movies, you know, play games, listen to music as well. And mom and dad are already on to the movies. Mom is watching Jawan and dad is watching Oh My God. And the this is the flight. It's really pretty. Even the business class on this flight is really pretty, you guys. We've also been given complimentary earphones so we can listen or play our movies.
On behalf of the staff, we wish you a relaxing flight with All India's best airline.
Okay guys, dinner has been served and we've been given this veg pulao and palak corn. I think it's palak corn, a water bottle and choco chip cookie. I'll eat it and give you a review how the food is for tonight. By the way guys, Mama here has got a pista badam cookie, whereas I got a choco chip one. I had a few bites of the rice. It's nice, but I like the first flight better, like the Chinese one better. Okay, you guys, so I am back home, back to my topics, back to my fish, rice, and curry. So it was a short trip, but such a wonderful one. I mean, it is such a draining process to stand in lines, you know. People stand in line for like so many hours to see the Lal Bagh Ganpati, but we were so lucky that we got the VIP entry, and within like 2 hours or so, we were there near the Murti and we did the Charan Sparsh. It was such a divine experience. If you can, guys, do try to go once in your lifetime. It is another level of experience. And I also wanted to show you something, that is I got a gift from my uncle. He got it from abroad. So it is a tripod. It's by the company Vivo. It's very compact, but it extends to a good amount of length, and it also has a light. So if I long press this button, the lights get switched on, and it has a nice tone to it. It has warm tone as well as cool tone, so it changes tones as well. It's very handy and such a beautiful and much needed gift, I would say. And for you guys, I know this video is like a little longer one, but thank you so much if you're watching this video till this part of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Take care of yourself, and thank you so much to watch this video.